Welcome to TechTrixInfo, the engineering tutorial hub. Let's identify the main components of a rock breaker with this animation. You can see that rock breakers are widely used nowadays in quarry applications. They are being installed on construction equipments like backhoe loaders and excavators and are used for blasting or breaking the rocks into small pieces in quarries. So, quarry segment is a very big business opportunity, and the income generated is also very huge. So, for fast production uh, of rocks into making them into small manageable pieces. Earlier days it was being done manually, but nowadays equipment has been installed and rock breakers are currently being employed for this purpose. So let's identify the main components of a rock breaker. So on the screen you are seeing a rock breaker, the internal components of a rock breaker over here. So this is a chisel which will be hitting on the rock, like it will be vibrating and hitting on the rock, which will result in the rock actually to break. So let's see the components. So this is the side plate, as you can see over here. uh, the side plate, so the yellow color on the both side of the breaker, we have the side plate. So internally we have the breaker. This is a breaker. uh, this is a sectional view so that you can see the internal components, and on both the side we have the side plate. Then we have the low pressure accumulator on the top. So here we have the low pressure accumulator. As you can see, this is the low pressure accumulator over there. Then we have the high pressure accumulator. So the high pressure accumulator is coming somewhere over here. Okay. Then the distributor valve. So you can see the distributor valve over here. So here, this is almost here where we will be having the distributor valve. Then we have the pressure adjusting valve. So the pressure adjusting valve is over here. So this one is the pressure adjusting valve. Here you can see this is the pressure adjusting valve over there. Then the valve body is located over here. Okay, the cylinder. So this is the cylinder over where this chisel actually is moving. So here, this is the cylinder. Okay, the piston. So here you can see this component over here clearly. If you watch, this is the piston. Okay, so tie rod is this component over here. So this is the tie rod over there. And then the piston seal. Here we will be having this black on the side. The component you can see is the piston seal. So here, this black component on both the sides is a cut section view. So that is the piston seal. And below that we have the wiper. Okay, then we have the thrust rings over here. So if you watch here, we will be having the thrust rings. Okay, uh, the upper tool bushing will be happening over here. The upper tool bushing will be happening at this portion. And the cap screw here, you can see the cap screw. Then the lower tool bushing will be happening here. Then the dust seal will be here to prevent the dust particles from entering. You can see this black point over here. So that's a cut section view of the uh, dust seal, preventing the particles or foreign material from entering into the rock breaker. This dust seal is been employed, and this is the tool. This tool varies depending upon various application of the breaking, or it can be also called as a chisel. So these are the main components of a rock breaker. Here you can have an internal circuit of the rock breaker, the hydraulic flow which can be happening. And startup, it will be looking like this. This is the accumulator. So here you can see the accumulator. This is a spool end. Okay, here this is a spool, and this is the distributor, and here we have the piston. So as per the hydraulic flow happening through the internal components of the circuit of the rock breaker, this chisel will be moving like a ram, or it will actually, you can say, vibrate. or it will move up and down, and this vibration, and as it moves, it will be employed on the rock. So as a result of that, the braking application will be happening. So I believe you got a small idea about the rock breaker, and the internal components. For more engineering tutorial video updates, please click the subscribe button on top of this video. If you have find this tutorial useful, please click the like button or drop a comment to motivate us. We are also available on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video.